What a first half for Chelsea. Amazing from Chelsea. Last 3-4 minutes they scored two goals and both the goals were brilliant. Mason Mount scored a wonderful free kick, amazing from him, and then a brilliant pass from him. Brilliant, like the way he saw Giroud taking run and pass to him, and brilliant finish from Giroud. I thought he would miss that one, like when he took it to his left, but then he slided and scored that goal. Amazing from Chelsea. Chelsea are on third position now. They are going to the Champions League currently. Wolves, in the last few minutes, their defense stumbled. Otherwise, they were playing quite well. In the first half, they defended really well and they created one or two chances as well. The match was going quite boring, but suddenly things changed after that free kick, and Chelsea are two goals ahead now, and they are winning 2-0 and they are on third position with 66 points. Coming to Manchester United and Leicester match, Leicester created few chances but they couldn't capitalize. United defense, what you guys are doing? The defense is so bad of United. They are creating so many mistakes. Matic passed the ball to Leicester player on couple of occasions. He's creating good chances, but his passing hasn't been good. So Matic might be changed with McTominay, and that can change something for United. United are creating chances, but the last pass which has to reach the player, that is not reaching. And I don't know how things will be in second half, but currently looking at the last 5-6 minutes how United performed and how they created chances, I feel that United will come with more power and better gameplay in the second half. Leicester defended really well, but in the last few minutes, United started playing one-touch passes and started creating chances, in which Leicester's the 3-4-3 formation, the three back are not able to handle the pace and the skills of Rashford, Martial, and they did great job in the starting 40 minutes, but in the last 5-6 minutes Leicester did look vulnerable and we can score against them. Manchester United can score, it's just that they have to play in the same manner as they played the last 5-6 minutes of the game. जीताओ यार यूनाइटेड को लाइक करेंटली यूनाइटेड इज नॉट इन लॉस, क्योंकि अगर ये मैच ड्रॉ भी होता है तो यूनाइटेड का ही फायदा है. इफ द मैच ड्रॉज देन यूनाइटेड विल बी ऑन 64 पॉइंट्स while Leicester will be on 63 points. So United will finish on fourth position, but I want them to finish on third position. So that's why I want them के यूनाइटेड आज जीते. यूनाइटेड का जीतना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर आज यूनाइटेड जीतती है दे विल रीच ऑन थर्ड स्पॉट. दे विल बी same points with Chelsea, 66 points, but United have better goal difference than Chelsea. So I hope United finishes on third, if not third, at least on fourth. I hope they don't concede from Jamie Vardy and Leicester. Jamie Vardy have been controlled really well till now. He hasn't got any chances. Iheanacho got few chances, but he hasn't been that threatening till now. And Leicester are creating counter-attacking chances, but they haven't been able to capitalize on their positions and on the whatever they are creating. They haven't been able to capitalize on the chances, while United, they are creating, but the last pass has to reach. The last pass is not reaching, and Leicester are defending really well, but in the last few minutes Leicester did look vulnerable. Chelsea are winning. I don't think Wolves will be able to come back in this match. Chelsea are 2 goals ahead, and now Chelsea will try to defend and score at least one more goal so that it allows them to reach the Champions League and confirms their position in the Champions League. Currently they are on third, and if United wins, Chelsea will come down on fourth position and United will go on third. If United loses, then Leicester will be on fourth position and Chelsea will be on top, and United will be finish on fifth, and they will be in the Europa League. So that's how the first half has been. I hope you liked this analysis of mine of the first half of Wolves versus Chelsea and Leicester City versus Manchester United. According to me, Chelsea are reaching for sure, and Manchester United should reach if they don't create any more mistakes in their defense. So Manchester United and Chelsea will go to the UEFA Champions League next season, according to me. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube page of Sports Geek, do subscribe. Also, you can like the Facebook page and Twitter page and Instagram page. The name is Sports Geek. So do like it, share it with your friends, and I will be back soon with my next live or the video soon.